Are you looking for a quick and efficient way to insert multiple rows in Excel? Wondering if you can utilize the right-click menu, insert button, or even a handy shortcut? This tutorial will guide you through these methods, allowing you to effortlessly expand your spreadsheet and keep your data well organized. Let's dive in. Now I will show you the first method to insert multiple rows using Insert option in your spreadsheet. You need to locate the row above which you want to insert the new rows in your data table, such as Row 2. Simply click on the row label to select Entire Row. This highlights the row and prepares it for the insertion of multiple rows. Suppose you want to insert 2 rows, and you need to select 2 rows firstly, such as, we can select Row 2 and Row 3. At this place, you can also use Shift+Space shortcut to select entire rows. Go to Home tab. Click on Insert button under Cells group. It should display a drop-down menu list. This group contains several commands related to inserting rows, columns, and other elements in Excel. Choose Insert Sheet Rows menu from the drop-down menu list. This command specifically inserts new rows above the selected range on your sheet. Excel will immediately insert the desired number of blank rows above the selected row, shifting the existing rows downward. Let's see how to use Insert menu by right-clicking on the selected cells and adjacent rows to insert multiple rows in Excel. You need to locate the row above which you want to insert the new rows firstly, such as, select cell B2. Make sure you include the appropriate number of rows for insertion. If you want to insert 2 new rows above the selected rows you located, you just need to select range of cells B2, B3. Once you've selected the rows, simply right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. A context menu will appear, providing various options for modifying your spreadsheet. From the right-click menu, locate and click on the Insert option. This will prompt Excel to insert the desired number of rows above the selected range, making room for your new data. Select Entire Row option in the Insert box, and click OK button. Now you can see that Excel will instantly insert the specified number of blank rows above the selected row to your spreadsheet, pushing the existing rows downward. Let's see the third methods to insert multiple rows using shortcut key in Excel. You must firstly select the cell above which you want to insert new rows in your spreadsheet. Suppose you want to insert 2 or more rows, just select those many cells, such as, select 2 cells, B2, B3. Select the entire row by pressing the shortcut key Shift+Space, and you need to hold the Shift key, then press the spacebar. Now, you can click on another shortcut key Ctrl+Shift++ key to insert new rows. It will automatically insert the desired number of blank rows above the selected row. If you want to insert more than 100 rows above the give cell or row you have selected, you can select many rows quickly using Name Range box, such as 100 rows or 1000 rows, and then insert multiple rows using shortcut. You must firstly select the cell above which you want to insert new rows in your spreadsheet, such as cell B2. Click on Name Range box, enter the reference of the row where you want to insert the new rows. For example, if you want to insert 100 rows above cell B2, just enter 2 to 102 in the Name Range box and press Enter key. You can see rows 2 to rows 102 have been selected. Now, you can click on another shortcut key Ctrl+Shift++ key to insert 100 new rows above row 2. It will automatically insert the desired number of blank rows above the selected row. You can also use Copy and Paste feature to insert multiple rows in Excel. Let's see how to do it. Select 1 or more blank rows in your spreadsheet, and right-click on it and choose Copy option from the context menu. It will copy the selected blank rows. Select the cell above which you want to insert new rows in your spreadsheet, such as cell B2. Then press Shift+Space shortcut to select the entire row. Once the desired cell or row is selected, and right-click on it, choose the Insert Copied Cells option from the context menu. It will automatically insert all copied blank rows above the selected row. If you need to insert a blank row between every other row, you can use the helper column in combination with sort and filter feature to achieve your result. Let's see how to do it. Firstly, you need to insert unique identifier or numbering to each row next to your data. Insert 1 in the helper column of the first row, Drag Autofill handler down to other cells, select Fill Series option. You need to attention that the numbers should be in ascending order. Press Ctrl+C to copy all of numbers in the helper column, and then paste them below the last serial number, it is cell D4. Select the entire data, including all numbers in the helper column. Go to the Home tab, click Sort and Filter command under Editing Group, and select Custom Sort menu from the drop-down menu list. You will see a Sort dialog box will open. Select Helper column from the drop-down list of Sort by. Select cell values under Sort on drop-down list, and set smallest to largest option under Order drop-down list. Click on the OK button. You should see that one blank row have been added after every other rows in your data. Then you can delete Help column now. Thanks for your watching.